Hello everyone and welcome back. Okay, so we are applying the third and final layer of the bleaching process, which we are only applying to the roots, avoiding the ends because your ends are very fragile and thin as well. So I didn't want to, break it off. So I literally just applied it to the parts that's black, which is my roots. Also bearing in mind to apply a very thick layer. Just a little tip, you can apply Vaseline or Vaseline around the perimeter of your scalp or on your skin just to avoid it burning or itching. And in case you guys are wondering, I read on the box that it says you must apply the bleach on dry hair. So I don't know if what happens if you apply it on wet hair. So I made sure that my hair is dry. That's why I put it in twist, and then apply the bleach on the dry hair. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went in with some pink beforehand, but it didn't really work out. So we're doing it again. So as you guys can see, the pink took better on the parts that was more white than the parts that was yellowish. Okay, so taking it section by section and then combing it out and then applying the dye to that section, making sure that every strand is covered. It's better to work with smaller sections than bigger sections, and I started at the ends because my roots were already the color that I wanted it to be, or more or less the color that I wanted it to be. So for colorant, I used this Renew pink that I had left with some white conditioning treatment. There's a video up on my channel where I do the cotton candy if you want to see the box. And then I just mix it to get to the desired color that I want. And you guys know how we do over here. This time we sponsored with a conditioning cap by Spa. So I just kept it in for like an hour or so, and Hi guys, so this is the results of our bleaching process and the the desired color that I wanted. It didn't actually come out like the way I wanted it to, but I actually like this. And if you do see it, it's because so I applied obviously the darker you want your hair, the more pink you're gonna add, and like yeah, so I wanted a more like a cotton candy like vibe, but also bear in mind that your when you bleach your hair, the whiter your hair, the better the pigment's gonna take on your hair, if that makes sense. So parts of my hair, like especially on my roots, was very pink, so I think you can see that it's more pink on the roots because it was very white. What did I just say? I mean, it was the bleach, it was white, my roots was white, and the pink took better there. So yeah, and towards my ends it was more yellow, and yeah, more yellow, so it gave me the orange. And yeah, so but I actually like the here and there pink, orange, blonde vibe going on. I'm here for it, I'm living for it. So yeah, I'll probably experiment more with more colors on my hair. And I'm one of those naturals that I've always been scared to bleach my hair, because people are out there telling you, oh nee, girl, I try to damage. Uitgroei terug. It grows back. You can literally check my roots. It's black again. That's how quick it grows back. My hair, I didn't know my hair grows that quick. But it's been like a week. And look at this. Look at this. It's back. It's growing back. So do what you want. I always say this, do you, boo. Do what you want. Live for you. Happily and satisfactorily. Everythingly for you. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, because I do. And like I said, if you want more looks, if you wanna dare me to do something else, yeah. But thank you guys for watching, and I definitely hope you guys subscribed. And this bleaching process was a process to record. But if you have any questions, please let me know. You can follow me on Instagram. My links is down. My social media links is down in the description box. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below, either or direct message me. Doesn't matter. If you have any tips for me to take care of my fro, then you're welcome to let me know. And yeah, because sometimes I forget to say things in videos, so I'll just answer in a comment, or but let me not waste more of your time. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and thank you for your support and your love. And always remember to do what makes you happy, or just don't hurt other people. Thank you. Bye.